I spend all my money. I spend all my money. I spend all my money. I lost something that was a big part of me. I can't find it in anyone else. It's hard to realize it's never coming back. The way you trace your fingers over your grandmother's antiques sends birds down my back. Birds down my back. She is the source of your soul. You didn't know you had her. Maybe you don't believe in magic, but it's all she ever had. It's all she ever had. How can you only believe in the world you can see? What a boring